Okay, before coating, there has some rust in the steel surface. So we have to clean the rust before coating. Because after clean the rust, the coating can have a good absorb on the steel surface. Okay, let us see. Okay, you can see there are some rust on the steel surface. So we need to clean them very clear. And I use this one to make it clean. You can see our workers make it one by one, make it all in order. This machine we call the short blasting machine. Okay, we can put many big and heavy and long used steel products. You can see. Before short blasting, we can have a compare. You can see there are some rust on the steel surface. Here, here, here you can see. Okay, here is the control system to handle this short blasting machine. You can see there are different numbers, but I don't know. I'm not a professional for it, so I don't know for this. Okay, now after a few minutes later, the short blasting has already finished. Now let us check the quality. Okay, you can check the surface and the surface. You can see no any rust anymore. It's very clear. Very good. You will find an interesting thing. The surface, there are so many different. You can see. Here have a heavy duty cover on the surface to clean the rust. This is how it works. Okay, we can see this part, cantilever arm already finished the short blasting. So you can see the surface is no any rust anymore. It's very clear. It's very clear, you can see. Okay, after this step, we will hang up this arm on the coating line. There.